Okay, good morning my dear. Today we discuss relation between, it is very important question, it is asked in the examination. Relation between the coefficient, the zeros and zeros are you see roots and coefficient of polynomial. You know that in a quadratic polynomial, in polynomial of degree 2, clear, we can find relation between zeros or roots and coefficient of polynomial of degree 2 or quadratic polynomial. Clear? Then first of all, we know that what is the quadratic polynomial. You know that quadratic polynomial, if the degree of the polynomial is 2. Suppose a polynomial px is equal to ax square bx plus c. It is a quadratic polynomial because here the power of x is 2. Clear? Then in our class we already saw degree. What we got with the help of degree? We can find the factors of the polynomial. Factors of the polynomial. It is already discussed in the class. Zeros of the polynomial. Roots of the polynomial. Roots and value both are the same. Roots are value of the polynomial. Clear? It means if any polynomial is the second degree polynomial, that it has two factor, two zeros, two root, and this polynomial intersect at 2 points on axis. Clear? Then ax square bx plus c has two roots. Has two root alpha and beta. Yes. Then it has two root alpha and beta. It means if you can put on the place of x alpha, then this polynomial be 0, or if you can put on the place of x beta on the same, this polynomial is 0. It is called root of the polynomial. Clear? Then here alpha plus beta. It has two root alpha and beta. Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Here minus b upon b is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square. And alpha beta is equal to c upon a. It is called the relation between roots and coefficient of the quadratic polynomial or polynomial of degree 2. Clear? Here alpha and beta are the root of the polynomial and b, a, c are the coefficient of the variable of given polynomial. Clear? Then this formula is the relation between the roots or zeros and coefficient of a quadratic polynomial. In the same way, if you have cubic polynomial, like ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. We can left as it is. First we discuss the same. Suppose with the help of this you can find the value of alpha and beta. Then first of all you can find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Then with the help of formula alpha minus beta is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Clear? You got the alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and with this formula you can find alpha minus beta. Clear? And suppose in any question alpha plus beta is equal to 4 and alpha minus beta is equal to 6. Clear? If you got in any question alpha plus beta is equal to 4 and alpha minus beta is equal to 6. Clear? Then if you can solve then by the linear equation in two variable, then here plus b and minus b, then it is cutted. 2 alpha is equal to 10. If you add it, then alpha is equal to 10 by 2, then alpha is equal to 5 and alpha plus beta is equal to 4. Then 5 plus beta is equal to 4, so beta is equal to 4 minus 5, beta is equal to minus 1. Then alpha is equal to 5 and beta is equal to minus 1. By this way you can find root of the polynomial also. Clear? Suppose if you have roots of any polynomial. Suppose here alpha and beta are given. Clear? And you want to make the polynomial. Clear? Then it is px is equal to k is the constant, x minus alpha and x minus beta. It is the formula to make the quadratic polynomial. If you have root and you want to make the polynomial, then it is a formula to make the polynomial. Here then k is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. It is the, here k is any real number. Clear? Then if you have alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 3, then what is the polynomial? If alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 3, then you can put the value of alpha and beta in this formula or in this formula also. Clear? K is any constant. Then here x minus 2 and x minus 3. Px is equal to then here x square minus 2 plus 3 x and plus 6. Then k x square minus 5x plus 6. Then our polynomial is px is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. K is any real number or it is a constant. if you want to write k, otherwise you can left as it is. Then if we have root of the polynomial, then the polynomial is this. Clear? Then in this topic we discuss relation between roots and coefficient of the polynomial, and by which way we can find the root. By this way, with the help of this formula. Clear? With the help of this formula we can find the alpha minus beta, and by using this you got alpha and particular value of alpha and beta. And if you have alpha and beta, then with the help of this formula you can find the polynomial. Clear? Okay.